Hi favorite friend. Okay, so you know the one design that won't just stop popping up on my Pinterest board? Yep, I finally decided to give in and sew it by myself. I've been obsessing over it for days and now it's time to bring it to life with my own little twist. Without further ado, let's get started. For the front, I have to sew along this one. For the front, I don't have to sew this here, but I have to sew it here. Before I'm sewing this, I have to cut a little piece around this area to be making it smoother, to make it easier when I'm sewing along the cuff. For the backpack, I'm going to sew along this part and this part and then this part as I did earlier. There's one thing I forgot to mention is about the string in front of the clothes. You can make it up to 4 inches wide and the length is up to your desired length, and you sew it right side together first. After you have done this, you are going to reverse it. I got it like this. For this part, I cut it off and I already pressed it so it's nice and flat. So it's good. So this is the front part. To be able to finish it, I have to iron it from this side, like here, like this. I will have to iron it. I will cut a little bit of fabric in this area to be smoother for it. So for the front part, you do it like this. So you sew this part here first, and then we are going to add the string. For that, I am going to measure the length first. So it's going to be 10. So here. The armhole here, don't sew it here, I sew it here, same one as here. So this is me day 2 of sewing this dress. So as you can see here, I have already done with the front part. Looking at it, it's so beautiful. I like it so much, and the fabric turned out look good. I already done with the front part. Oh, hello. I am thinking that I will add the ruffle like that in the pictures I see it on Pinterest. So I have already done with my back part. This is a back part. I'm going to sew with this and I will add the ruffle under it. So I got like this, and I am going to add the ruffle under here. So I need to measure the edge from here to here like this, all the way around. I need to measure it, and then I have to multiply by 3 so that I can make it more ruffle, at least 2. Okay, so and I am going to make it how long that I want to be. I will take around 4, I guess. 4 is a good choice, right? So half inches and a half inches for under. I have to do it, so we see. So approximately it has 32. I will take 33. It's adorable. I have the lining up here and here, and this is a ruffle. It look cute, good, nice. Look at the back. Oh my goodness. So this is how it is look like. I'm going to try it on. It looks pretty good. I give it, anyway, I give it a 10 out of 10. I made it. I love it, and I love it. Love it. The thread you can avoid without the under clothes, or just go with it. Anything that flow on your mind is okay. I go with it, and with a jean it look perfect. It look good, nice and cozy. I love it. I will definitely wear it often. And this is the final look. So let me know what you think of it. This is the best project that I have ever made, not gonna lie, and I show you inside out. This is the inside out, and look at it. It's so good, clean, and yeah, it's so perfect. This under, and this is the inside. Inside is also good, and outside is perfect. Thanks for hanging out with me and watching this sewing little adventure. If you love the final look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a sweet comment, and subscribe so we can keep stitching together. Until next time, keep creating, stay cozy, and sew your heart out. See you in the next video. Bye bye.